इंडिजीन की दमदार लिस्टिंग के बाद अब कंपनी के आगे के प्लान क्या है, निवेशकों को किन बातों का ध्यान देना है, इस पर विस्तार से बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ कंपनी के सीएफओ सुहास प्रभु इस समय जुड़ चुके हैं। सुहास जी सर, गुड मॉर्निंग, बहुत स्वागत है। सबसे पहले तो बहुत बधाइयां, क्या दमदार लिस्टिंग देखने को मिली है। अब सर हम ये समझना चाहेंगे कि अगले 3 से 5 साल के लिहाज से लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू आपके बिजनेस को लेकर क्या है, कौन से की ग्रोथ एरियाज होंगे जहां पर हम आपको फोकस करते हुए देखेंगे।
So firstly, thanks for having me on your channel, Neha ji. And I would also like to start by thanking all the thousands and lakhs of investors cutting across sectors, categories who entrusted and showed their confidence in making our IPO a success. And that's what's leading to me being present here today. Coming to the growth plans, as you know, we operate in a very large industry segment, which is the life science segment. This is a $1.8 trillion industry, which is expected to grow and cross $2 trillion by 2026. And more specifically, the operation spends in the areas that we operate are already $150 billion and is expected to grow to beyond $200 billion on the back of significant technology enhancements and adoption of digital by our customers. And that's the area that we operate in as Indegene. And therefore, we are very excited that as the market is expanding, as the needs of our customers keep growing, we are poised uniquely to capture that moment of growth. We are poised, with a good set of customers. 20 of the top 20 customers are of the top 20 pharma are already our customers, and we have a long roster of 65 active customers, 35 of whom are already $1 million plus. And that's the growth opportunity that we see in front, that we have won the trust of our customers, the key ones in this industry. And as the industry grows, we look forward to adding value to our customers and growing ourselves.
सर, अगर इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ रन रेट की बात करें तो हमारे जो निवेशक हैं जो इस समय आपको सुन रहे हैं, क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कंपनी से अगले आने वाले 3 से 5 सालों के लिहाज से?
I would like to point to the recent past. FY23 we grew at a little more than 20%. FY24, the 9 months results that we have already published, which is for the period December 23, we grew at 15% year on year. And while the revenue grew at 15%, the EBITDA margins have grown at 22% even in the 9-month period ending December 23. The margin rates have actually increased consistently. The EBITDA margin has grown from 18.8% to 21.9% in the most recent period. And we would strive to sustain those margins and keep growing those margins as we go forward. One other important aspect that I would like to highlight is the proceeds of the issue. Significant portion of it, about 391 crores, is proposed to be utilized towards repayment of our debt, which resides on the books of our US subsidiary. With that, we would become a zero debt company, and the interest cost that we are currently incurring would potentially go down to zero in the current fiscal year itself. And this would have a favorable impact even on the PAT margins as we look forward to in the near term.
तो सर, ये जो डेट जीरो का प्लान है ये इसी वित्त वर्ष में देखने को मिलेगा। और एक और सवाल है, आपने कहा कि जो 18.8 से 22% के आसपास का आपका मार्जिन रहा है, ये इस वित्त वर्ष में इसी रेंज को सस्टेन करेंगे आप?
As I want to point out, the term loan that we have in the books of our subsidiary, we have already terms with our banks that have lent us this loan for being able to repay immediately without any additional prepayment charges. So we propose to repay that loan in the near term, which would mean that this interest impact would be seen, the favorable interest impact would be seen on our PBT and PAT in the near term. Coming back to the EBITDA, as you pointed out, it's been a continuous journey of enhancement, and a key factor to that is the technology, the IP, the platforms that we have built over the past many years now. We continue to invest in enhancing our technology capabilities and building more IP. And as these platforms mature, we are seeing a positive impact on our margins, EBITDA or operating margins. And that continues to be our endeavor, both in the short term as well as in the longer run.
Okay, सुहास सर, थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए और आगे क्या है कंपनी की योजनाएं उसके बारे में बताने के लिए, और एक बार फिर से आपको दमदार लिस्टिंग के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाइयां।